Alright, I haven't made a video in so long. But yeah, I finally found my iPod. And so blurry. There we go. These are my chickens. Haven't named them yet. Say hello, chicken. Sorry. Can you stop pecking at the camera? Trying you at least. Alright, so yeah, we have four, like, white ones, or yellow, sorry, and 2 black ones. Name it, as I said. You see, now you're trying to pick up the camera. Ow, what the, did that? Alright, so this is inside. Can you not peck at the camera? You stop picking at the camera? Good. You said you stopped picking at the camera. Hey, don't. Okay. So yeah, chickens, 2 black ones. Ow! Don't peck at me, please. Yeah. Cute. Very bad video, though. Yeah, pretty cool, right? Oh my